mean, they're both the same.
Just give me one side to start on. Which side? Your right, so I'm going to start on your left. People think I'm stupid. Like, I know where I got to start.
Oh, my God.
Look, we did tell you were going to have to go live anyway by winning the...
I did know, but I'm okay with it.
You did it?
I did not know.
Are you okay with it?
I'm fine.
If I can put a towel over your face, we do witness protection.
I don't
Okay, anyway. No, your face isn't in there.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. It's got to be the Mutts Whisperer Church in here, kind of a thing. So, you know, something that you guys who follow me understand my passion. Right now I have the girl who won the giveaway on my table. So one thing that I've been thinking a lot about, and she's a therapist herself, a psychologist, is that, you know, y'all, we can do all the hello, we can do all the good morning, we can do all the talk therapy. And I've done talk therapy since for over 45 years already or more. And I've done EMDR, which is fabulous. I did some shrooms, but most of my life I did the talk therapy because that's where my family sent me. So in talk therapy, if you're someone who has been traumatized in any kind of way, especially when you're young and you get sent somewhere to talk about it, it's fucking scary. You're not gonna talk about it. You just you're not gonna talk about it. If you were feeling like you were able to talk about it, you would tell the motherfuckers, somebody, what was going on so they would intervene and stop it from happening to you, right? So during our bodies hold everything. So everybody that I get on my table these days has trauma. And that's really sad because that's like, everybody walking out here on the planet has some trauma. So we can't keep ignoring it. Well, some do, but we want to, if you're going to go to talk therapy and start opening that up, which is amazing, you've got to deal with the physical body aspect of it. You have to heal the trauma with the physical body. You can't just go to talk therapy for 50 minutes a week and expect it to all just go away. It takes a lot of work. You have to do your outside of their work, but the most important thing I'm finding is that because the body holds all those chemicals, fight or flight chemicals, which happen during trauma, if you're not actually getting it excreted out of your body, then it's still in your body, but you've talked about it, so now you're open about it. Now you're aware, nobody can see that. Now you're aware of it. Now what? So it's really important that we physically get it out of our body. And I really just want to figure out a way to do that for them. We all need it. We are born innocent. Things happen to us. But you can scream. You're holding it in.
It's not as bad as it could be.
Well, it might get there, it doesn't matter, but you still need to let it out. Yeah. So I was talking with her. I don't know, you can try to work, get your knots out yourself. You think they're from working out, maybe from sitting too long, there's different things, but of course try to self-treat. But I want to talk about physically getting the shit out of our bodies, man, so that we can release it. There you go. There you go. There she goes. There she goes. So, first of all, this could be trigger. I just want to put this out there that sometimes things happen. I've had issues with people watching my videos, it can trigger them, and I'm sorry. I don't ask people to, it's what the body doesn't lie. The body doesn't lie. The body holds memory. The body holds stuff. And if we don't address the body and we only talk it out, we can't fully heal. We just can't fully heal until our body releases it. It's scientifically proven that our body, our fascia, and our muscles store those chemicals research it, because I've been researching the heck out of it. Like, why haven't I been able, all this talk therapy and all this therapy, why haven't I been able to like fully heal from it? Because it's in my fucking tissue. It's in my DNA at this point. And I have to get it out of my tissue. I have to have somebody get it out of my tissue. But I can't have my son do it because that's not fair. Like, right? I mean, it's not fair. So we have to get it out of our tissue. I've been hit up by I've been hit up by people in Dubai and people in Germany, people in Amsterdam, people in Brazil, people in Africa, people all over the world. Like, how do we find somebody that does this? I don't know. I just know that this is obviously my purpose, and I understand that as much as it hurts, the fact is that this shit is in our tissue, in our body. Please. I see all these wonderful podcasts of these wonderful people talking about our inner health and our mental health. But the one component that seems to be missing from all of that is talking about how it stays in the physical body. Not because I want all that work, because I can't handle it. Let it out, girl. Yeah. So, if there's anything in your tissue that is trauma related, your body's going to release that. It's going to release that trauma with what I do. If there isn't any trauma, or the person is just unwilling to go there, or I'm unwilling to go there for the day, then it's not going to release. It's not going to come out. But there's definitely a difference. And, like, you know, right. Oh, is that, you know, you gotta get it out of the tissue. I wish, it's just frustrating. So how do I do that? I don't know, guys, but you know what I'm gonna be doing? Oh, thank you. Oh, with it, yes, you did. He says I'm amazing. You're gonna be great. So, I'm gonna start doing like a YouTube show. Talk with the Muscle Whisperer, and people can call in and ask me questions, because not only do I know how to heal do this work from the physical standpoint, I have done so much fucking mental therapy on myself and physical stuff on myself that I really have a lot of knowledge to share. And I'm open to talk about all kinds of shit.
Take a break. Oh my God, I wasn't ready.
You're not ready,
Oh God.
but your body's ready.
Okay.
And this is what I'm talking about.
Shit.
We're not ready to let it all come
Oh
out,
my God.
but the body is ready to let it out for you. The body is completely ready to let it go if you're coming here. But the mind is like, no. Your body's like, yeah, bitch, yes.
Oh my God.
So I'm gonna do a little like call in with the Muscle Whisperer. I hear so much, I talk so much about so many different things with my clients. I feel things, I can sense things. I've gone through my own flashbacks in my younger years. I really want to heal like the people with people with drug and alcohol issues. I don't know how to refer to it because that's not been mine, but the people that experience that to like numb out and try to cope with their shit by that way, I want to go and I want to take each one of those people and give them a body work clean out, because you can go to rehab and you can do all that, but unless it gets out of the physical tissue, it's not completely out. What a thing if I could go into the prisons and start working, or maybe the juvenile hall, and start working on the juvie kids that, you know, you just aren't born and you just don't develop it too, and say, I'm gonna be a bad motherfucker, right? I'm gonna be a robber. I'm gonna get addicted to drugs when I'm older. We don't do that. It's the experience of what happens to us, you know? So I'm going to call in. I don't know, man. I'm just really passionate. I'm tired of seeing so many wounded souls, and it's not right. And so many bodies that hold so much, and when you hold in all that acid in your body, you start having issues in your body. Get it out. You'll pee it out. You'll excrete it out. You'll shit it out. Like sometimes after I work on people where it's been very emotional, I have like diarrhea. Like it just comes out. Yeah, it comes out of our bodies. Are amazing. They protected us through those issues, right? They protected us through those incidents, whether it's a car wreck, whether it's a fight that went bad, no matter what it is. Our body worked, right? Our body protected us, and the chemicals that are released from our brain into our, on a cellular level, through our bloodstream into our tissues, right? We gotta get it out. Your body holds everything, your muscle and tissue. Did you know when you die, you could become like a diamond, a ruby, a gemstone? You could become, you can be, because we are carbon. We can be, when we're dead, we can be transformed in many things. I told my son I was gonna have me made into like little diamond earrings. And he goes, I am not walking around with you on my ears, Mom. That's creepy. So y'all, I'm working her groin because obviously low back issue. I'm not gonna work in the low back.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Ow, 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 ow.
That's all you got for me?
Ow.
Is little ow? You gotta get it out, girl. Scream it out. What would you tell your client? What would you tell your patient? You would say, wouldn't you say, get it out? Haven't you ever wanted to go throw a temper tantrum into a pillow as an adult?
Yes.
I've gone on the floor and had a temper tantrum.
Oh,
So as long as you keep holding this in, it stays in your physical body. You cannot process it fully out and move on. Because everything just stays there. I broke my stool yesterday, y'all. My son pissed me off so bad. No, the day before. I took the stool, I opened the front door, and it was a heavy metal, and I took it, and I threw it from my front door all the way to the middle of the grass, halfway to the street. I was so mad.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Yep, we gotta get it out. So on this Sunday, people, it is Sunday, right? It's Sunday. I haven't been sleeping well, to be honest with you, because I get a lot of trauma through here. And then we're redoing my Find Me Love giveaway. We're redoing that. I'm gonna put that up again, because I really do. I'm ready. I'm ready to have fun with somebody. I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go play like tag football with somebody, you know, at the park and roll around. I'm ready to mess around and go for a motorcycle ride. I'm ready for some good, whatever that thing is. I'm ready for some. I'm ready for some. So. Yep. choice, right? You go through this for a couple hours, or you don't, and you keep having and struggling with the pain.
I'm trying.
Is your tummy hurt?
No, I'm trying to keep it together.
Why do you have to keep it? What? This is the whole fucking point of this shit. It's about not keeping it together.
I'm trying to stay in it and let you do it.
You don't have to stay in it and let me do it. I'm gonna do it regardless.
Oh,
That's what you don't understand.
so I can fight?
You can fight.
Okay.
You can fight. You don't have to lay there and take it. You hear me? You don't have to lay there and take it. You can fight me. Because I know what to do with that. I know, right. Now we're getting to it. You don't have to lay there and take it. It's okay to fight. It's okay to fight. No. I gotta go.